I've been fortunate enough to travel around the world without ever paying for a single flight. Places like Santorini, Greece, Puerto Viejo, Costa Rica, Dublin, Ireland, and even Barcelona, Spain, where I'm currently shooting this video. And it's all thanks to my favorite travel credit card, the American Express Platinum Card, and its incredible point system. If you're someone who shares my passion for travel, then this video is going to be extremely beneficial for you because I'm about to reveal all the benefits that come with this credit card. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to jet off together. Now, I'm bracing myself for some criticism right off the bat. I know that some people are put off by the American Express Platinum Card's annual fee, and it's true. The fee isn't cheap, but hear me out and watch until the end because I'll be sharing why I believe that the card's benefits are so exceptional that the annual fee is more than worth it. Let's see how you can truly maximize the value of this card. Although the annual fee of the American Express Platinum Card is steep at $695 per year, the benefits more than make up for it. With this card, you'll receive a welcome bonus of 100,000 membership reward points after you spend $6,000 in the first 6 months. Additionally, the card provides up to $200 in annual airline fee credits, up to $200 in annual Uber credits, and up to $100 in annual Saks Fifth Avenue credits. And when it comes to airport lounge access, the card grants you entry to over 1,300 lounges in more than 140 countries worldwide, including Centurion lounges, International American Express lounges, and Priority Pass lounges, which the Priority Pass membership would be costing you $75 per year. You'll also have access to the Platinum Concierge, a 24/7 service that can assist with everything from restaurant reservations to travel bookings. Through the American Express Fine Hotels and Resorts program, you can enjoy benefits such as room upgrades, free breakfast, and late checkout at over 1,000 luxury hotels worldwide. Plus, you'll receive a $100 hotel credit when you stay at select hotels booked through American Express Travel. That credit can be used for anything such as drinks to dinner, basically anything that you could buy at the hotel. Other perks include a credit for either global entry or TSA PreCheck application fees once every 4 years, and elite status and discounts with car rental companies such as Hertz and Avis. The card also comes with purchase protection and return protection for eligible purchases. Finally, the AMEX Offers program provides discounts and special offers on various products and services. Keep in mind that the benefits and offers may change, so it's best to check the American Express website or contact customer service for the most up-to-date information. If you take advantage of all these incredible offers, you'll be getting an exceptional value for the $695 annual fee. However, my absolute favorite benefit of this card is the exclusive Select Airline program. With American Express, you have the freedom to choose an airline and receive an amazing 35% points back on your flight. Let's say you fly with American Airlines 90% of the time. By selecting them as your preferred airline, you'll enjoy a fantastic 35% back discount in the form of points. This perk truly adds up over time and maximizes the value from your points. I can personally attest to the incredible savings this feature offers. Thanks to this program, I've saved thousands of dollars over the years, allowing me to enjoy flights without having to pay for them for over 3 years now. Although the annual fee might seem substantial, when you consider the overall benefits, I firmly believe that this card is worth every penny. Comment below your thoughts on the American Express Platinum Card, and if you're interested in learning about the American Express Black Card, check out this video here.